In this video, I want to talk about how you can send XRP from eToro. I'll show you how you can send it to the eToro wallet, and I'll also show you how you can send it from that wallet to an external wallet if you want to send it to someone else or if you have an external wallet somewhere. But before we can do this, you need to download the app called eToro Money. This is basically an eToro app where all your crypto will be stored and you can send to others from in there. So download the app eToro Money, spelled like this, eToro Money, download this and sign up. Now you're gonna log in with your normal eToro account, they're connected, and then what you wanna do is first we need to send our XRP to our eToro Money. So to do that, you just wanna follow these simple steps. Portfolio, select your XRP, click on your position, and then you want to transfer to wallet. Now, since I'm on a demo account, I cannot show you, but that is how you can do that. Once you have done that, you want to open up the eToro Money. Inside of eToro Money, what you want to do is head over to crypto, select XRP, tap send, type in the address you want to send it to, enter how much you want to send, and then just verify it, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how you can do that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.